There is a substantial risk of loss associated with trading forex, binary options, stocks, or equities, collectively, asset classes. Only risk capital should be used for trading. Trading in any asset classes is not appropriate for everyone. Past performance is not necessarily indicative of future results. No representation is being made that investors will make profits or will not sustain losses. Before trading in any asset classes, investors should consult with their professional broker, financial advisor, or financial consultant to determine whether trading asset classes is appropriate. Investors who trade in any asset classes should only do so if the capital used for this purpose represents funds that an investor can afford to lose without adversely impacting the investor's lifestyle. No trading strategy or methodology is without risk of loss. No trading strategy is risk-free, and no trading strategy can guarantee profits or freedom from losses. Investors risk losing the cost to execute any transaction, including associated commissions or fees. You should carefully consider whether trading in any asset class is appropriate for you in light of your investment experience and financial resources. Any trading decisions you make are solely your responsibility and at your own risk. None of the statements or materials in the Auvoria Prime chat rooms constitute a solicitation or recommendation to buy or sell.
Welcome everybody to the call, to the weekly insight call for Flash. Definitely this week the markets are really volatile, and what I will be doing on my demo account and also on my live account, I will be definitely removing all the JPY pairs. Maybe I will be keeping the Swiss franc pairs for like some months to go. We also did some back testing that I will also share with you, so you can see the back tests and what we found in the back tests, which pair are working good. These ones are actually the pairs that we did the back test. We did it without anything. So what I mean without anything, any filters. It can open as many trades as it wants. Then also there is no peep range in between how much it can open. So this is gonna be like a little bit of a back test that we also did. But also what we're gonna be doing from now on, we will be doing some back tests and trying to optimize Flash for different pairs with different settings, because definitely market, it's really volatile and it's moving crazy fast this couple of months, especially what is going on in Russia. Maybe now it's gonna come down, but anyway, let's jump into share screen, and let's jump into the MyFX book. Let's check some things so we can see where we are, how we're doing. Like I added on this demo account like a lot some money onto it, so we can have like data through time. But definitely like some pairs, as you're gonna see, are performing like, oh my god, they're big drawdown. We're gonna go also to FX monitor so we can see how it is. So we are up now this week 1.20%, $500, like 9.13% this month. But this is like, okay, we did like profit, but what I saw actually on all these demo accounts, if we jump here to FX monitor, like always good performing pairs are AUD CAD, AUD Swiss franc, AUD JPY. It's not such a big drawdown at the moment, but we will also look a little bit at the trading view at these JPY pairs, especially JPY pairs, and how they're behaving. Also AUD NZD, it's working all nice. AUD USD CAD Swiss franc, CAD JPY, again you can see 4% drawdown. Swiss franc JPY, I don't know, I will be ditching all the JPY pairs. Euro AUD, it's also like one of the better performing pairs. But what I think we have to do here, it's like to do that it can open like maybe 2 trades only every 100 pips, because this pair it's known for its volatility and how much it's moving. Euro CAD, it's performing amazing. Also Euro Swiss franc, Euro GBP, also Euro JPY, I'm ditching it. Euro NZD, definitely. GBP AUD, also these pairs that they are like in red, I will be putting them like 2 trades for every 100 pips to see how it's gonna go. GBP CAT, it's also performing amazing. GBP JPY, not so much. GBP NZD, I don't really know, like I don't like how it moves. GBP USD, it's working nice. You can see it's now in floating profit. NZD CAT, it's also performing nice. NZD Swiss franc also. NZD JPY, you see, again, 1.57% in drawdown. USD CAT, it's working nice. Also USD Swiss franc, USD JPY. Like since I started this demo account, once one of the worst performing pairs. But what is the most amazing thing? Like which pairs are working the best? It's actually silver, gold, German 30, US 30, and then USD Tech, that's USD 100, and also USD 30. Like these pairs are like performing amazing. Also, if we jump back here and look at the summary, the best performing pairs, you can see USD 30, like 92 trades, $800 in profit. Silver, 86 trades, 580. Gold, 147 trades, 495. Eurocat, you can see 140 trades, 400. So Eurocat, it's amazing. GBP USD also, you can see now that GBP USD, it's like catching up and being one of the best performing pairs, 135. German 30 also, you can see 53 trades, 339. And you can see here now GBP CAT, also 149. Euro Swiss franc, NZD JPY, it's still here, but I don't like how the JPY pairs move. And you can see also AUD CAT, and you can see like this USD tech, it's like closely catching up because I started like 2 weeks ago, 1 week ago. So I think it's gonna be one of the best performing pairs. We definitely can find like really nice performing pairs, but now if we just go to see a little bit of the JPY pairs, why I don't like them, you can just see the explosion on USD JPY. Like you can see here, actually like it went through the H4 resistance, and you can see the trend, 544 pips. Then if we go look at AUD JPY, you can also see here again, like you can see here, it's a daily resistance, you can see. And we actually made a move, we broke through the resistance, and you can see this is like a move like without any retracements, 540 pips. Then also if we go Euro JPY, also you can see the move to the upside was actually 858 pips. Then what we have, we said AOG Swiss franc JPY. Also, this is an old daily chart that we are like looking at now, and you can see here 500, and also CAT JPY. It's the same thing. So this is like why I'm removing these pairs, because they're like known for movements like that. And you can see 650 pips. Okay, and now if we like go back a little bit in history, you can see that like this is not unusual for these pairs. I know that like I think some last year the same time, yeah, look now, last year same time, you see February already, 2021, you see 12th of February, you can see the spike how it went up. And you can see here 600 pips almost without any retracement, 1000 pips, yeah, it had a retracement later of how many we like retrace for like 600. So like a little bit of almost like 50% if we go see. So you can see we retrace like for 50%. But yeah, these pairs are like not good for like, let's say, cost not cost yeah cost averaging and like flash and gearbox and such softwares, because they like when they trend. But you can see also they are also in consolidation. So this is like what gets people, because here they're working like really nice, and then when it explodes, it just explodes. So this is like why I'm removing them, so you know. And also if we go here to my live account, you can see right now we are like down only, you can see most of it, it's actually CAT JPY. Okay, we have like GBP CAT. Okay, let's see AUD CAT. We have like 2 open trades, nothing major. And then like we have GBP CAT also open like 2 trades. But you can see the most of the drawdown, like actually all the drawdown, it's from CAT JPY. So when it closes down out, I will definitely like remove this pair from my trading, and I will just go with the pairs. I'm gonna show you right now. We did. Then we can see here. This is actually the back test that we are doing for this new flash that we put out. And you can see here the pairs that they're like working good. You can see here AUD CAT, AUD JPY, but I'm not trading AUD JPY CAT Swiss franc, and this is all done with 0.01 on $1,000 account, and we just let it run for actually from 2 years we were running it, and you can see here this is current year, and you can see this was like 427 CAD Swiss franc 87, the biggest drawdown. Euro at 530, Euro CAD 225, the biggest drawdown. Euro USD 385, GBP USD 200 and 172. So these are like the best performing pairs on the back test. So this is what we like suggest to trade, and this is why I always say like conservative it's like one pair for every $1,000 on your account. Then aggressive it's one pair for every $500 on your account. Why? Because you can see like some pairs can go like into drawdown of 530, you know, and then like if two pairs get you like in drawdown, then it can be like risky. That's why always we say 0.01 one pair for every 1,000 on your account. Is there a way that automatically stop the bot from taking new trades when a sequence is closed? Yeah, you can just put the max numbers of trades. You just put it to 1, and when the sequence is closed, then the max what it can open it's 1 trade, and you will actually like you can close manually that trade, close the chart and manually close that trade, and this is how you can get out if you don't want to have a pair trading anymore. Should consider ATR and correlation for selection of pairs. Yeah, definitely. Like you can do this ATR by yourself. Like you can go through it to see how it is, and also correlation of the pairs. We are working on a currency filter where you will be able to input, okay, if one pair of euro it's open, you cannot open any more pairs with euro inside, or only like two, you can only allow two currencies, like two pairs but with euro inside, the most that you can trade. I can ask this the developers if they can do it and how long it would take them, but definitely I can put that in, or just copy this and send it to the developers. Yeah, I don't think that would be like actually hard to do. So you can see here, if we go a little bit through everything like on the charts, I always like to look at the charts so we can see like where it took the trades, why it took the trades, analyzing these things. And you can see like here actually when it started like taking cells, it's actually down here. Why? Because here it was resistance on the H4, so I was thinking that it's gonna go down, and also the stochastic was up over 90. Here we are like closed out. AUD JPY, you can also see here why it started taking trades here. It's because you can see here it was a resistance, and also the stochastic levels were so high. If we can look here into the if you look here back, you can also see here that it's like resistance. The NZD, also you can see here a resistance, so it's taking sells. Also AUD USD, CAD Swiss franc, you see sells. These are like all nice sells, but what we have to do, you can see max profit here, it was like close to closing out, but then it retraced. CAD JPY, like definitely like this is like like oh my god, you can like see this, like how this exploded, not even like one pullback on H4, like nothing whatsoever. You can see like only just shooting straight up from up here. You can see how big the move is, and the move was like what, from our first trade, the move to the upside was 600 600, yes, 650 pips was the move. Swiss franc JPY, you can see the same thing. Euro AUD, it closed the buys, first buys, then it sells, and then it started like buying again because here was the support. So we are now down again with Euro AUD, Euro CAD. You can see we have like everything closed. Euro Swiss franc, we are in buy positions. Euro GBP buy positions. Euro JPY, we are removing JPY pairs. Man, we don't need you. Euro JPY, Euro NZD. Oh my god, 12,000 minus. craziness. Euro USD, GBP AUD, you can see also here. It's like just going down. GBP CAT. Now we are in buy positions. We are $5 up. GBP JPY, we don't have anything. GBP NZD, nothing. GBP USD, NZD CAT. NZD JPY, you can see the same thing. JPY pairs just exploded. Like JPY died almost, it looks like it. USD Swiss franc, nothing. USD JPY, this is like, you can see here actually where we have the stochastic levels like above 90. So I think that like it's gonna go way down. Also you can see here on the daily chart the stochastic, it's over 90, just like pushing over 90, but you can see when it's like so high that definitely like it's gonna fall down. But yeah, let's see, let's wait it out. And everything else, it's nothing open. See if there's any question. I will tell the developers if they can do more backtests. Personally, I'm not doing the backtest. You're also not using. Yes, I'm not using JPY and Swiss franc pairs for a long time on Gearbox already. We need to compare the backtest results to pairs with lower enter gear on Gearbox. Yeah, we can also compare that, but like definitely I will message the developers to do it. Thank you everybody that you attended today's call. If you have any questions, just message them into the traders chat, and I will talk to you next week. See you soon, guys. Bye.
There is a substantial risk of loss associated with trading forex, binary options, stocks, or equities, collectively, asset classes. Only risk capital should be used for trading. Trading in any asset classes is not appropriate for everyone. Past performance is not necessarily indicative of future results. No representation is being made that investors will make profits or will not sustain losses. Before trading in any asset classes, investors should consult with their professional broker, financial advisor, or financial consultant to determine whether trading asset classes is appropriate. Investors who trade in any asset classes should only do so if the capital used for this purpose represents funds that an investor can afford to lose without adversely impacting the investor's lifestyle. No trading strategy or methodology is without risk of loss. No trading strategy is risk-free, and no trading strategy can guarantee profits or freedom from losses. Investors risk losing the cost to execute any transaction, including associated commissions or fees. You should carefully consider whether trading in any asset class is appropriate for you in light of your investment experience and financial resources. Any trading decisions you make are solely your responsibility and at your own risk. None of the statements or materials in the Auvoria Prime chat rooms constitute a solicitation or recommendation to buy or sell.